Bite off more than you can chew. It means take on more responsibilities than you can handle. Example, I think I have bitten off more than I can chew with this new project. It's a lot more work than I expected. Cut to the chase. It means get to the point or the most important part of a conversation. Example, can you cut to the chase and tell me what you really want? Easy does it. It means take things slowly and carefully. Example, easy does it. Don't rush through this project. Make sure you get it right. Make a mountain out of a molehill. Exaggerate or make a big deal out of something small. Example, you are making a mountain out of a molehill. It's not that serious. On the same page. It means have the same understanding or be in agreement. Example, I'm glad we are on the same page about the project goals. Let's move forward.